Hey guys, I was just doing a little research tonight. I've heard a lot of people talking about their compasses going a little wacky here as of late, and other issues that they're seeing in the magnetic fields acting funny on simulations and things like that. I saw Dutch Sense and Mike from Patriotic Space talking about it. I haven't seen Bug talking about this yet. Believers Underground. Scott, I imagine he'll get in on it eventually. But I did see who else? Sam was talking about it, and some other people. So I thought I'd jump on and see what I could find out. And I was running to this information here that says magnetic field of the Earth, and those planets that have magnetic fields are generated by dynamo action, in which convection of molten iron in the planetary core generates electric currents which give rise to magnetic fields. Most scientists believe the reversals are an inherent aspect of this process. In simulations, it's observed that the magnetic fluid lines can sometimes become tangled and disorganized through the chaotic motions of the liquid metal in the Earth's core. Well, that kind of makes sense when you think about what Scott from Believers Underground has been saying about the post-glacial rebound effect and how it's making the Earth bounce back and forth. That he was saying that was making it just kind of bounce, and that was pushing the moon farther away, and things of that nature. So then you go on, you read through this, and it comes down to this part here that I was getting at. It says, in some simulations, this leads to an instability. Oh, sorry, I better read this first. Computer-generated field reversed itself in 40,000 years of simulated time. During these periods, the direction and magnitude of the magnetic field observed at any point on the surface fluctuate, and the net field strength is reduced by dipole interactions. So that's the polarities interacting with each other. In some simulations, this leads to an instability in which the magnetic field spontaneously flips over in the opposite orientation. This scenario is supported by observations of the solar magnetic field. I'm not sure. I think the solar magnetic field is what is being looked at in these simulations, which undergoes spontaneous reversals every 9 to 12 years. However, with the Sun, it is observed that the solar magnetic intensity greatly increases during a reversal, whereas reversals on Earth seem to occur during periods of low field strength. So, I don't know if this has anything to do with it, but it just sounds right to me, undergoing spontaneous reversals every 9 to 12 years. Is it possible that our magnetic field is flipping around, and it's just more dramatic right now because of what's going on the Earth? Or is this because of the post-glacial rebound effect and all the nuclear fallout that we have, and all the nuclear, there's a lot of nuclear stuff just floating around in our atmosphere that's just up there too, and who knows when that comes down. I don't know about that, but I've heard it. But anyways, I just wanted to throw this out there. Is it possible that this is one of the solar magnetic field reversals? Anybody else that has any insight on this, I just found it on the net, so let me know what you think. Thanks. God bless.